Hello and welcome to rule number 4 of reality transurfing. Today's rule is called A Star is Born. Did you know that in order to achieve real success in anything you do, you have to stop following widely accepted stereotypical behavior from other people's ideologies and start walking your own path? Are you awake? Are you aware? Anyone who pulls out of the general system then creates for themselves a new measure of success. One mantra I say to myself for this is, nothing is real until I say so. And so the pendulums cannot bear anyone being an individual because they like to cage you in like a robot. They spot a rising star from the light that you're shining, and they have no choice but to make them a favorite. Once a new rule has been established, the ranks make a U-turn and start following this rising star to try and pull him in. In order to establish your own rules, be yourself. Keep asking yourself, am I awake? Am I aware? I know you can do it. You simply have to claim it. Claim your privilege. Claim your birthright. Because only you can decide what privileges you may or you may not enjoy to be in your highest excitement with. People spend their entire lives, as soon as they're born, being told what they are, what their name is, what their school is, what they're going to be, being told everything to put into a box. And this is far from perfect. And that they are also told that their success and wealth and fame are only the inheritance of the elite few. These thought pendulums do not deny that anyone can succeed, but they do carefully hide the fact that everybody has their own unique qualities, their own unique style, and their own unique abilities, based on your own unique birthright. And so for the pendulums, individuality is like death. They cannot stand it because they are based in ego. And if all its adherents were to become free individuals shining their lights, shaking off the puppet strings of control, the pendulum would fall apart and have the biggest ego death. But you are a star, and you are born independently, but the pendulums light them up. The role model, the standard of success, is created intentionally to drive the aspirations of the mass in one direction. In other words, the pendulum's task is to drive everyone into a single rank and force them to obey one common rule. Wake up! You will achieve nothing until you realize that you have to step out of this rank and file. You are not a robot. You are an individual. And there is simply no point in playing somebody else's game where you are not the one who's making up the rules. Because isn't that your birthright? Isn't that your empowerment? Isn't that your ownership? Well, whatever you do, always initiate your own game. Why? Because this is the secret to your success. Wake up! Are you aware?